the stickers. You can do those on the car ride home, honey, okay? Give them some love.
So cute. Oh my god, so cute.
He wanted to see you.
You like little people, huh, Gus?
What a good-mannered horse.
Olivia just fell flat on her face. You go, okay, girl? She goes, I'm okay. All right, cool.
You okay, babe?
She wants a special treat for the goats.
Oh, let me
She promised them she'd go back and give them one.
Okay. You want to finish that up? Are you giving that to someone? Okay. Is this something we could mail to someone or give for Christmas? Because we're going to see everyone at Christmas as well.
You ready?
Okay, let's go. Let's go back to them.
All right.
I hope they like it.
They will love it.
I'm sure they will.
They're special treats.
Let's go. Bye-bye. Hey, bye-bye. Boss, I got a special treat for you guys. Just like I promised.
That's too funny.
It's so funny.
Little other goat, come here. Little other goat. Not you. No. Little other goat, you're so hungry. Here's little other goat, little other goat. Ooh. Goatee.
Put it in his mouth.
It's making, come on.
Give it to him.
You like it. Oh.
Oh, there's the other one.
Come here, little Lava. I got a special. Yay. Goatee, goatee, goatee. You want it? You want it? Here, goatee. Here, goatee. You know, they're both girls. Both of them are girls. Let's give them some of this.
The billy goats.
Do guys like hay?
I don't think that they do, but they might even try to eat it.
So how old are they?
I think they're like 2.
2? Yeah.
A year, maybe? They're insane, though. They literally, I'm surprised they're being this quiet.
Come on.
Okay, let's go see if there's any more special treats.
Yeah. Let's
Be careful.
We're taking home a blue egg.
Just take one.
We get to take a blue
Ooh,
one.
blue egg.
Hey, where's
Okay, there you go. There you go.
Don't have poop on it.
Matt, over here, bud. Whoa, over here, buddy. Want to go put it in the car? Here, want to put it in the car? Here, come with Daddy. We'll put it in the car. No? You're just going to break it. Bring it in the car. You want to bring it in the car?
Us.
Oh, the horse? Don't feed the egg to the horse. Here, let's go put it in the car. Come on, let's go bring it to the car. Matthew brings it to the car with Daddy. Let's go to the car. Is that from a chicken? What's that from? Come on. Come on, this way. We gotta go to the car. Come to the car. We gotta put that in the car for later, Matt. Come on. Come on. Come here. We'll put it in the car. We'll put it in the car. Come on.
Something tells me we'll be spending a lot of time there this year. You know, they have I think about 15 acres, and they've wanted horses for a while, and they just got set up for it. So, well, thanks for watching, and have a great day. We'll see you on the next video.